This new strategy of making affiliate marketing is going to be working for every one of you worldwide, and it's going to be offered to everyone even though that you don't have any previous experience. You are going to be able to make affiliate marketing and to earn up to 30% of the lifetime commissions. What is this lifetime commission? What does it mean? Is the fact that whenever you share this kind of affiliate link and you share this to different businesses, like for example dog shops, and to your specific location or worldwide as well, you could be able to get paid not only that time that this person just signed up at that moment. You will get paid as well whenever this person for 6 months, for 1 year, or for every time that this person does something toward this platform, you could be able to earn the commissions, the 30% of the commission of the affiliate marketing that you did to this different businesses. So that's why I would highly recommend to you to use this platform. It is 100% free for everyone and it is available worldwide. It is a SEO ranking platform, and I'm going to be teaching you. I'm going to be giving every specific information about it, so just pay attention and you could be able to understand what is that and how it functions. Before going there, for sure don't forget to support our channel by liking the video, by subscribing to it, and by pushing notifications on, so whenever we post you will get notified and not miss out any video at all. The platform that I told you, it's going to be a SEO software. It's called SEOranking.com. And what is a SEO software? It's an online platform that will help you to generate, manage, organize, analyze your platform, your business, your website into the searching engine. So it will make sure that in the ranking page or in the ranking search engine result page, you will be able to get to be the very first one. So if you do remember the fact that whenever you search for something on Google, for a shop or for a business, you will be able to see the very first ones, and this platform is going to help you to be in the very first beginning of the research into Google. So yeah, it is SEOranking.com, and you can easily access it just by signing up totally for free and having the opportunity to have SEO analysis and marketing tools that are needed to do or to make a big ranking on Google. If you scroll to the very end of it, you will be able to see even other information, which I'm not going to be reading them all, but what is important for us is the fact that it is trusted by a lot of businesses, by very good platforms worldwide, so it makes it totally legit, and you can see even the words at the very end of it. So it is one of the best platforms to use. You can directly download it into your App Store and Google Play Store, but for sure you can easily access it even in Google. At the very end of it, you will be able to see some other subcategories. What is important for us under the SEO ranking and under about information, it is affiliates. So we will just be clicking into the affiliates so we can be able to get into the main page of affiliates, and you will be able here to join to the ranking affiliate C platform to use to register and to promote and to earn money by doing it. So you will be able to have quick and easy access to share this profile, to share this link, and to earn money per doing it. So you can have the payout directly after you bring someone to sign up to the platform. Another thing that is worth mentioning, it's about plans and pricing. So if you click there, you will be able to see 3 packages that this platform is offering, and another reason why this platform is one of the best to use. The prices are very low, so whenever people or businesses see this platform, they will not doubt to use it, because the essential price is $32. The pro price is $71.20, and the business one, it's more than up to $1,000 per month, which is not such a high amount for businesses who are working online as well. So from my previous experience, people really like to choose essential and the pro packages. So if you do consider the fact that this person is going to try it for the very first month, the second month, and is going to like it for every time, you are going to get paid every time this person pays to the platform. So you are going to be able to get 30% of this essential package, 30% of $71, and 30% of $151. That's why it's one of the greatest to use. In order to access it, for sure, you will have to sign in and to be directed into their main page. A thing that I'm not going to be reading it right now, but what is important to us to know is to know some other information about the platform. You can see all what is offered into SEO platform, and this is the information that we are going to be using with the free boot that I will just present you right now. It is called anywhere.com, and this free boot will help you to create some emails so you can send this to different businesses, and you can send it together attached with the affiliate link, so whenever people see your message they can easily click there to sign up, and you will get paid for doing so. You will have to create a total new account into anywhere.com. It's for free to every one of you, so just click into start for free or sign up with Google, and you could be able to see that it is worldwide as well. So you can see all the places included here, so it's for everyone. Whenever you create a new account, you will be able to see the dashboard of it, some other subcategories. What we're interested for is data-driven copywriting. So if we click there, we will be directed right over here where we can be able to have some other categories to choose to make access into it. But what are we interested for is just to scroll and to go to email. And you can be able that they are offering email subject line, promotional email, and cold email. We're going to be using cold email so we can be able to create convincing, attention catcher, and powerful, attractive potential information and customer by just sending this kind of cold email. So we'll just click into cold email, and we'll be directed right over here where we'll have to fill in some information about product description. So we will be able to type the name of the product and the name of the company, the industry, which is finance for sure, and after that we will just click into create project. This is a screenshot of what I was able to access, because for the moment the platform is not supporting it. After you have filled in all the information here, the platform is going to offer you a project, so it's going to offer you some free emails, ready ones, so you can access the one that you want. So you can choose between of them. These are just 3 which I have just chosen, but you can choose more. So for example, the second one is hi, the name of the sender. I hope you're having a great day so far. SEO ranking help us increase traffic to your website by ranking higher on Google. Would you be interested to share some insight about this platform and for your business? Kind regards, your name. Or you can just choose between of these other emails, and what is important as well is to see the fact that how many people have searched or seen this kind of email, so you can have more traffic toward it. Now what you're going to be doing is just to copy the email that you want and to go to the businesses, which I'm going to be sharing you how you can find a lot of businesses worldwide and share this kind of email so you can be able to get paid worldwide as well. If you go to Google and search for dog shop in London, or for cat shops, candy shops, barber shops, and everything that you may think of, you can search for that on Google since you know it. And as well, you can search for different places all around the world, and you can be able to see some businesses there. What is important to us, it's not to contact the businesses that are at the very beginning of it, because they are already ranked, but what we're going to be doing is just to go to the very end of the page and click into the pages or to the businesses that are in the 10th, 11th, 12th ranking. So for example, this one over here, we're just going to open the platform, or they're going to be finding their email so we can send them an information about the platform that we're sharing. So you can see here at the very end of it the email that we can send there. So we will just click there, paste the text, so choose between of the mails, paste the text that we decided from the anywhere.com, and after that start getting paid 30% of the commission just for sharing this kind of affiliate link and this kind of email. That was all for today. If you like it, don't forget as always to support us by subscribing, liking the videos, and pushing the notifications on.